Okay, children, so welcome back to the revision session. Your preliminary examinations have already commenced. You completed one subject, SS. The next subject is maths. That is tomorrow you all are going to answer the maths paper of 80 marks. And yes, there will be two types of papers, the basic paper and the standard paper. Now this session which I am doing for you is revision for those who are going to answer the basic paper. But as I put note on your WhatsApp, yes, both the sessions can be attended by every student. Okay? Alright. In this session, I won't be able to ask you what is your difficulty because interaction that we will need to do will consume lot of time, and in the specific time of 45 minutes that we have, we will be able to do less work. So I know what is important for you, correct? What I should be doing for you. So I'm going to discuss the basic of few concepts of different chapters. Alright? Most times I won't be doing the calculations even. Okay? So hope this session will be fruitful for you. Here I begin with the first thing, that is in statistics you will have frequency column. Class, I'm not writing 21, 31, 4, X, 9, 17, Y, 20. Alright? Total frequency is not given to you here. Now if you add, this will give me sigma Fi. This is Fi. So this you should write out so that you won't have to, while adding, you won't make mistake. Now 1 and 1, 2, 6, 15, 15 and 7, 22. So that is 2. 2 is carried over 4, 7, 8 and 10. Plus X plus Y. Children, the total frequency is not given to you. Suppose it is given. As per example, the total frequency is 150. Number of observation is 150. Then this equation will lead to you X is equal to 150 minus 102. So X plus Y is equal to 48. So that's how you get one equation. Alright. But instead of giving the total frequency which is 150, the total frequency is not given to you. Instead, you are given X plus Y is equal to 48. Now you will need a total frequency, isn't it? आपको total frequency तो चाहिए, sigma Fi चाहिए. So yes, sigma Fi, that is 102 plus X plus Y. In place of that you may write 48 and that will make 150. Alright. So in the statement, either total frequency would be given, which will lead you to the equation X plus Y is equal to 48, or no total frequency is given in the statement, but you are given the total, the sum of missing frequencies, X plus Y is equal to 48, then you can get the total frequency. So if total frequency is given, you can get this equation. But if the sum is given, you can get the total frequency. Be careful, you will find such twist in tomorrow's paper. So that is one thing that I had to discuss. Yes. Next is Thales theorem. I hope you know. I hope you have learned. I am going to do it roughly. I won't be writing each and everything. Okay. But Thales theorem is what? You have a triangle. Correct? Let's say ABC. It has three sides. To one of the sides, there is a line L parallel. Yes, this is line L, which is parallel to which side? BC. And it intersects the other two sides. let's say in point M and L intersects AB in M and L intersects AC in N. Alright? Okay. Now the result is segment AM in the upper half plane and segment BM in the lower half plane. That ratio is equal to AN upon CN. Yeah, you can write NC as well. AN upon CN. Now, the method is very interesting and it is a bit strange as well. Yes, this AM, I'm going to take AM, one side of a triangle. AM considering one side of a triangle. So which triangle is that? AMN. AMN. And then you have this denominator BM. BM also I am going to consider as one of the side of a triangle. But the triangle is not. Which triangle contains the side BM? For that I have to join BM. So I got triangle BMN. Very interesting. We have, see this situation here. P dash, Q dash, R. P, Q and R are collinear. And there's one point S. If you join P and S and SP and SR, I'm getting two triangles. In fact, three triangles. One is triangle PQS, the other is triangle QRS. Yes, and triangle PRS. Three triangles. But see, S is a point, या vertex of all three triangles. देखो, PQS उसमें S है, QRS उसमें भी S vertex है, and PRS उसमें भी है. So if you drop altitude from S to the base, that altitude is common for all three triangles. SM is altitude of triangle QRS to the corresponding base QR. SM is altitude of triangle PQS to the corresponding base PQ. And SM is also altitude of triangle PRS corresponding to the base PR. तो ऐसी ही एक सिचुएशन यहाँ है. A dash M dash B and the vertex M is common vertex of three triangles so on. The two that you can see very clearly and the whole. Alright, from N, let me draw a perpendicular. Let me say this is NX. That is altitude of triangle MAMN as well as BMN. Alright. So let me take area of triangle AMN. The formula is half into base into altitude. Yes. So half into the base is AM into altitude is NX. Alright. Call it result number 1. Similarly, now I am taking this triangle. Area of triangle BMN is equal to half. I'll write directly now. The base is what? BM into altitude is what? NX. This is the result number 2. By using these two results, I can get AM upon BM. Can you see AM on right hand side, BM on right hand side? See, if I take ratio. So by 1 and 2, it follows that area of triangle AMN upon area of triangle BMN. Area of triangle BMN is equal to, बोलिए, right, equal to, अब ऊपर half into AM into N, नीचे half into BM into N. NX cancel, half cancel. So what is left? AM upon BM. So I am not writing the next step. Instead of that, I am removing this. And this I shall call it as a result number first, not 3. First in Roman figure. Alright. Similarly, now I'll think of my right hand side. Right hand side का सोचो. तो राइट हैंड साइड का न्यूमरेटर क्या है? am. So if I consider am as the one side of this triangle सेम आया am है, और डिनोमिनेटर है cn. cn is a side of which triangle? भाई कोई ट्राइंगल ही नहीं है, लेकिन m और c को जोड़ दो तो ये नया ट्राइंगल मिल गया. So again this situation, this time triangle AMN and a triangle CMN, और अल्टीट्यूड यहां से ड्रॉप करना पड़ेगा. n is the common vertex, जैसे s common vertex है वैसे m common vertex है AMN triangle और MNC का. So from there I'm going to drop a perpendicular. Let's say this is MY. So now take area of triangle AMN. Area of triangle AMN. Once again triangle AMN, लेकिन ये blue वाला, पहले black था. अब base मैंने लिया AN. So I'm writing directly half into base AN into altitude is what, children? MY. Result number 3. Now area of triangle, कौन सा triangle? MNC. Area of triangle MNC. That is half into, उसका base कौन सा होगा? CNC. Okay. Into या CN लिखेंगे क्योंकि ऊपर CN है. CN into उसका भी altitude MY. And let's call this as result number 4. By 3 and 4, it follows that area of triangle AMN upon area of this triangle is equal to half into AN into MY, और नीचे half into CN into MY. Here I'm writing this area of triangle MNC. Half of cancel, MY cancel. I'll remove that cancel portion now. So you are left with what?
AM upon CN.
Correct. That is result number second. अरे ये मिल गया, but लेकिन दोनों को जोड़ना है. Now this AM upon BN is this, and AN upon CN is this.
Yes.
If this left hand sides are equal, then right hand side also would be equal. Transitivity develops. Correct? Okay. Now देखो, we'll have to see whether this left hand sides are equal or not. So triangle AMN. Oh, the numerators are same. Now if denominators are same, then we can have. Now one more theorem of standard 9. ये parallel lines है, right? और ये एक triangle between these two parallel lines, जिसका base ये है. दूसरा triangle है जिसका वही base है, same base, यही base ले लूं मैं, लेकिन तीसरा vertex है. So the blue triangle and black triangle are between the same parallel lines and they have the common base. Their base is same. Base ऊपर मैंने लिया है क्योंकि यहाँ भी पिक्चर में ऐसे ही आने वाला इसलिए. Okay. So according to the theorem of standard 9, these two triangles will have equal area. तो मैंने इसलिए रेड में लिखा था ताकि उसको हम देख सके. ट्राइंगल BMN, ये वाला ट्राइंगल है ना, BMN, ये वाला ट्राइंगल, और ट्राइंगल MNC, ये वाला ट्राइंगल, this triangle. Now look, these two triangles are between parallel lines BC and MN, या between N and BC, and their base is common MN. Correct? So अभी वो बड़ा लंबा स्टेटमेंट लिखना होगा, मैं नहीं लिख रहा हूं. Triangle BMN and triangle AMC lie between the same parallels, L parallel to BC, and on the common base MN. Therefore, area of triangle BMN is equal to area of triangle MNC. थोड़ा बाहर गया ऐसा लगता है. Area of triangle MNC. Call it result number 3. अच्छा children, ये डिनोमिनेटर भी सेम ही हो गया, इक्वल हो गया by 3. So now by first, by second, and by third, it follows that. By first, second, and third, it follows that. Yes, बोलिए am upon am is equal to an upon
Cn.
True. So this is also called Thales theorem, or it is called fundamental theorem of proportionality. Sure. Now see. Okay, so that was theorem. Okay, now yes, I will see one construction. Construction is to construct tangent to a given circle of given radii from a point outside it. Okay, so here is a circle with center O and radius 3. So 3 radius ले लो और draw कर दो. Now there is, okay, center is O normally, and there is point A outside at a distance of 6 centimeter. So आप ruler से वो distance पे ले लो and draw that line segment. Alright. So A is how far from the center? 6 centimeter. Now from this point A, you have to draw the tangent. कितने tangents मिलेंगे? Alright. तो क्या करेंगे? The first point, obtain midpoint M of line segment OA. पहले OA का midpoint ले लो. Obtain that. क्या करेंगे? We are going to construct 2 circles. एक सर्कल का सेंटर होगा O. फिर दूसरा सर्कल ड्रॉ करेंगे, उसका सेंटर होगा. But be careful, the radius that you choose, both the circles have to intersect. So, I'll choose the radius little bit more than, ये middle में midpoint यही कहीं आएगा. तो मैं radius जब choose करूं तो उससे बड़ा, more than half, सीधा. Or you can take OA radius. चलिए एक upper half plane में draw करिए, दूसरा lower half plane में. The first arcs, पूरा सर्कल तो नहीं ड्रॉ किया, उस सर्कल से 2 आर्क्स ड्रॉ करें, लेकिन बड़े वाले. Alright. Now, second circle that you are going to draw is with center A and same radius. जो radius था वही radius. Be careful. Alright. और उसके भी 2 आर्क भी ड्रॉ करें. Now, draw the line segment, line passing through these 2 points. थोड़ी टेढ़ी है, समझ लेना. This point is M, the midpoint of AB. अभी तो midpoint भी नहीं लग रहा है, लेकिन मैंने सिर्फ रफ मत किया है. Okay. After that, what you have to do? Now draw a circle with center and radius OA या AM, कोई भी ले सकते हैं, OA, and cut the circle into distinct points. Alright, this point is P, this point is Q, and AQ and AP are required tangents. And if you are asked to measure the length of tangent, read करना statement बराबर, otherwise you will lose 1 mark out of 4. Measure the length of the tangent. तो आप ruler रखो और measure करो, जो भी आया लिख दो. Same होगा AQ. If your construction is perfect, AP और AQ same होगा. Even different होगा, तो जरा adjust कर लेना. Right? यहाँ 4.5 आया और यहाँ 4.6 आया, तो दोनों जगह पे 4.5 लिखना या तो फिर 4.6 लिखना. Alright? थोड़ा सा variation चलेगा. But yes, if your pencils are giving very fine lines, if it is well sharpened, you won't have that issue. Okay? So that was one construction. Another construction for basic paper. Dividing a given line segment in the given ratio. Alright. So we are given a line segment of length 8.8 centimeter. So first we'll draw a line segment with the help of ruler of length 8.8 centimeter. All right, ठीक है. Steps of construction you can write, and you have to divide this line segment in the ratio 8:3. What we have to do? First, draw a ray AX, long one. Draw ray AX such that angle XAB is an acute angle. बताया ना आपको? अच्छा. After that, what you can do? Divide this AX in how many equal parts? 8 plus 3, that is 11. अब ये AX कितना है वो मेजर करो रूलर से. सपोज के 12 सेंटीमीटर. ड्रॉ एज लॉन्ग एज यू कैन. तो वो 12 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ डिवाइड बाय 11 कर दो. 11 1 by 11. Okay. So approximately 1 centimeter radius. All right. So 1 centimeter radius ले लेंगे. 1, फिर 2. You know this 1 centimeter radius लेके पहले सेंटर A कट करो. अब नेक्स्ट ये सेंटर फिर 1 रेडियस से कट करो. ये सेंटर हो जाएगा. सो ये कितना हुआ? 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. मेरे जैसे ऐसे ही हाथ से मत कर लेना. विथ पेयर ऑफ कंपास. 1 2 3 4. So how many equal parts I'm going to make? 11. The last one you are going to join with B. The last one you are going to join with B. Join it. Next, what? We'll divide into 2. 11 को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे. 8 और 3. So यहाँ से गिनती करो. 1 2 3 4 5 6. अरे लिख दो. A1 A2 A3 A4 A5 A6 A7 A8 A9 A10 और A11. So A8 यहाँ है. Right? This. Now you have to construct a ring. कौन सा? A8C. यहाँ C आएगा. You have to construct ray A8. ये है A8. Construct ray A8C parallel to A1. Actually A11B, and which intersects AB in the ratio 8:3. AB in the point C. Oh, now see, this is difficult. इसको सेंटर ये एंगल, नो यू वांट दिस एंगल, ये जो कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल बनेगी वो इक्वल होने चाहिए. सो जो एंगल A11B है उसको कॉन्ग्रुएंट एंगल A8C बनना चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट सेंटर A11 और फिर ऐसे बड़े आकर उसी डायरेक्शन में चले जाओ. सेंटर A और उतना ही बड़ा कर दो. फिर ये डिस्टेंस ले लो और ये डिस्टेंस ले लो और कट करो. और ये रहा आपका C. ये रहा आपका C. द पैरेलल. थोड़ा ये पैरेलल लाइन एडजस्ट कर लेने का है ना जो बताया था. सो दिस इज यस AC is to CB will be 8:3. मेजर द लार्जर पार्ट. इसमें से लार्जर पार्ट मेजर करो. रीड करना स्टेटमेंट बराबर. तो रूलर से AC मेजर करो और जो भी आएगा. ऑलराइट. कितना आएगा? यू नो 8/11. 8 out of total 11 times 8.8. This is 8 है. So 64. So it will be 6.4 centimeter. कितना आएगा? ऐसे कैलकुलेट कर लेना और वही लिखना. ऑलराइट. आपका 6.3 आए तो भी 6.4 ही लिखना. आपका 6.5 आए तो भी आप 6.4. लेकिन मैंने कहा परफेक्शन के साथ आप काम करोगे. इफ यू विल यूज वेल शार्पन पेंसिल, ऑलराइट, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी. चलिए. सो दैट वाज another construction. All right. If you all want to watch the more constructions, right, you will have to watch the next session wherein you are going to see revision for standard paper. Okay. But is the picture clear to you all? अब सब लोग देख रहे हैं ना? 34 participants है. I hope everything is clear. दिखाई दे रहा है ना? Okay, fine, fine. Now look here. There is one point A, 4 minus 3. B, 0, 7. C, minus 11, 0. D, minus 5 by 2, 8. ये points है. How far is this point A from x-axis and how far is that point A from y-axis? Objective question can be there and it's very easy. Well, ये revision है, मैं directly जवाब दे दूँगा. This point, how far it is from x-axis? अब y coordinate देख लीजिए, 3 units. Minus नहीं लिखना. How far is this point A from x-axis? Sorry, y-axis. तो आप x coordinate ले लो, 4 units. सीधा. Is that clear? How far is point B from y-axis? तो आप x coordinate ले लो, 0 units. उसका मतलब कि ये point y-axis पे ही है. X coordinate 0, so it is on y-axis. Check. Then how far is this point from x-axis? तो उसके लिए आप y coordinate pick up करो. How far is this point from x-axis? तो y coordinate ले लो, 0 units. How far is that from y-axis? तो x coordinate ले लो. लेकिन minus 11 unit ना, unit हमेशा the distance is always positive. How far is this point from x-axis? Y coordinate ले लो. तो x-axis से 8 units दूर है. और how far is this point D from y-axis? तो x coordinate 5 by 2. That means 2.5 units. Okay. So ये concept है on the basis of which an objective question can be there. Okay. One word problem. Product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Product of two consecutive integers. We are running out of time, children. Lots to do. Okay. Consecutive integers या successive integers कौन से होते हैं? पहला x, तो next is x plus 1. All right. The product x into x plus 1, that is 306. X square plus x minus 306 is equal to, ये पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है यार चिल्ड्रन. अब इसको सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? 17 into 18 आता है, वो देख लो हम. 306, 2 1 जा 5 जा 3 जा 8 and 9, 3 5 जा 1 जा, या 3 again, 3 1 जा 7 जा 17 1 जा. Yes, ये 3 3 जा 9 2 जा 18 multiply by 17. ये प्रोडक्ट नेगेटिव है, so डिफरेंस 1 का आता है. That you have to do now. बड़ा प्लस और ये माइनस. So x plus 18 into x minus 17 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 18 or x is equal to plus 17. लेकिन मुझे तो पॉजिटिव चाहिए. So that first number is 17 and the second number is 18. So these are the two positive integers. I'll have to do the work little bit quicker. Those who are watching basic paper, quarter to 11, watch the standard papers revision as well. Okay, something will be fruitful to you from there as well. Okay. Here is one arithmetic progression. Right? And you are asked to find, actually, you are given one arithmetic progression, uska 7th term, that is minus 6, and 11th term, that is minus 8. One question of this kind would be there tomorrow in your paper to attempt. Okay? 7th term of 1AP is minus 6. 11th term is find the 25th term. चलिए, children बताइए. 25th term कितना? Children, this is equal to A plus 6B. Call it result number 1. This is equal to 11 है. A plus 10D. result number 2. So bolo a plus 6d is equal to minus 6. A plus 10d is equal to minus 6. Subtract करो minus minus a plus हो गया, ये cancel. Minus 4d is minus, in fact plus 2 है ना, ऐसा ही आया ना. Okay, so 4d is equal to 2 minus 2. So d is equal to minus 1 upon 4. Minus 2 upon 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So d will be minus half. D will be minus half. After that you can do d minus half rakh lo or find out a. So a plus 6 into minus half, that is equal to minus 6. So a 2 ones are 3s are minus 3 is equal to minus 9. So a is equal to minus 6. So a is equal to minus 6 plus 3. So a is equal to minus 3. Now you have to find this. A 25 is equal to a plus 24d. What is a? Minus 3. 24 into d minus half, 2 12. So that is minus 3 minus 12, and that is minus 15. So 25th term of that AP will be minus 15. Okay. Next. Children, ratio of diameters of two cylinders is 4:9. Sorry, it's 3:5. It's given 3:5. And the ratio of heights of these two cylinders is 9:5. Then what is the ratio of their volumes? ये क्या है? Cylinder. What we have? Cylinder. So volume 1 upon volume 2, that is equal to, bolo formula for cylinder, pi r square h. But first volume, first cylinder r1 h1. Volume of second cylinder formula same, pi r square h. लेकिन second cylinder का r2 और h, ये cancel करो. ये r1 upon r2 का index common है. So write whole square into h1 upon h2. Now यहाँ diameter 1 is to diameter 2, that is 3:5. So diameter 1 upon diameter 2 is 3 upon 5. But what is diameter 1? 2 times r1. What is diameter 2? 2 times r2. That is equal to 3 upon 5. So this cancels. So you got r1 upon r2. What is r1 upon r2? So 3 upon 5 whole square into, now ratio of their heights straight away, h1 upon h2, that is 9 upon 5. So h1 upon h2 is 9 upon 5. Squaring कर दो, 9 upon 25 into this is upon है ना, यहाँ मेरी गलती हुई है, multiply ना, बराबर. So 9 upon 5. So that is 81 upon 125. So the ratio will be 81:125. Okay? Understood? What is the formula to find area, surface area of carrot? Now carrot is conical in shape, right? Carrot is conical in shape. So surface area की formula क्या होगी? IRL plus IR और वॉल्यूम की 1/3 pi r square h. Right? What is the formula to find total surface area of coin? The coin is cylindrical. So total surface area पहले कितना होगा? 2 pi r h plus top bottom 2 times pi r square. कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं. और कॉइन का वॉल्यूम ढूंढने की फॉर्मूला क्या है? I r square. What is the formula? This is coin. This is jokers. Okay. Carrot लिया मैंने. फिर वॉलीबॉल वो स्फेरिकल है. What is the surface area? 4 times pi r square. And volume formula? 4 times pi r. What is the formula to find surface area of lemon, which is 1 minute. Lemon is cut into 2 pieces. Lemon is cut into 2 pieces. What is the formula to find total surface area of one piece? वो hemispherical होगा ना when you cut lemon into 2 pieces. So total surface area will be 3 pi r square. Curve surface area is 2 pi r square. Total surface area will be 3 pi r square. Is that clear? समझ में आई बात? Now area of minor sector और yes, दो फॉर्मूला है. ये सर्कल है और ये सेक्टर है. राइट, दिस इज सेक्टर. ये रेडियस है, सेंटर. ये आर्क है जिसको L बोलते हैं और एंगल सबटेंडेड एट द सेंटर इज थीटा. एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर पाई r स्क्वायर थीटा अपॉन 360. ये फॉर्मूला है एरिया. दूसरी फॉर्मूला है इन टर्म्स ऑफ L, हाफ LR. और ये लेंथ ऑफ द आर्क, सिर्फ ये लंबाई, लेंथ ऑफ आर्क, उसकी फॉर्मूला क्या है? पाई r थीटा अपॉन 180. सो बी केयरफुल. एक मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन में कल कुछ ऐसा क्वेश्चन हो सकता है. राइट, व्हाट इज ग्राफ ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन? 2x plus 5 या polynomial. This is linear polynomial. Degree is 1, so it's linear polynomial. So how is the graph?
Straight line.
But if I say 2x square plus 5, degree 2 होगा, it contradicts. It's going to be parabola. Now parabola open upward or open downward? ये 2 है, which is greater than 0. But कैसे देता? minus 2x square minus 5x plus 1. Parabola open down. So वो एक चीज. Alright. अब 50 मार्क्स की बहुत सारी टेस्ट दी है, दिया है ना? Alright. So what is the probability that you get 50 out of 50? What is the chance या probability of scoring 50 out of 50? Okay. So 50 marks का paper है, right? So what marks can be scored? 1 mark आ सकता है, 2 आ सकता है, 3, 4 and so on. 49 आ सकता है, 50 आ सकता है. और कोई बच्चा बेचारा 0 भी ला सकता है. So these are all possible outcomes. How many outcomes are there? Total outcomes? 51. Total outcomes are 51. अब हमारी probability of event E in which the child scores 50 out of 50. बोलो 50 स्कोर कितनी बार है? सिर्फ एक बार. ये टोटल 51 स्कोर्स में से ऑब्जर्वेशंस में 50 appears just once. So favorable outcome is 1 और total outcome is 50. Interesting. If I ask a child scores 4 marks, what is the probability that child scores 4 marks? Total outcome no doubt 51. And 4 appears how many times from the total outcome? Only 1. So 1 upon. Acha, 20 marks. What is the probability that child scores 20 marks? Same. 20 एक ही बार आता है. Favorable outcome will be 1 और total outcome 51. But if I say 30 or 35 marks, a child scores 30 or 35 marks, तो 30 आएगा और 35, दो में से कोई भी एक. So 2 outcomes out of 51. I hope that is clear to you. The next is this concept. जरा देखिए. We have 2 concentric circles. हमारे पास 2 concentric circles हैं. One with the outer radius, larger radius, 5 centimeter, and other with smaller radius, 3 centimeter. बाहर का सर्कल, larger circle, the radius is capital R, जो बड़ा है 5 centimeter. The inner circle, the smaller circle, its radius is small r, and that is 3 centimeter. These are 2 concentric circles. How are these 2 circles? Concentric. Right. Outer circle का chord AB. Can you see line segment AB? It is chord of outer circle. It just touches the inner circle. then what is the length of the chord? Children, ये formula याद रखो. Length of the chord AB is 2 times square root of bracket into bracket. Be careful. ये bracket में capital R plus R, दूसरा में capital R minus R. ये formula ध्यान में रखो. Length of the chord AB is 2 times the square root of R plus R into R minus R. So that is 2 times. At this कल के लिए याद रखो. 5 plus 3 into 5 minus 3. Capital R is 5, small r is 3. So 2 times 8 multiplied by 2. ये total 8, ये difference 2. 2 times root 60. So 2 times 4, and that is 8 centimeter. So length of this chord will be 8 centimeter. Is that clear? ये formula बना के रखिए. ये I think एक statement textbook का example में था, exercise के example में था, to prove this. Or find the length of the chord. The length of the chord AB is 2 times square root of sum of the 2 radii into difference of the 2 radii. So ये concept ध्यान में रखिए, बहुत ही important है. चलिए next one. Yes. Children, rational number root 7 plus 1. Is it rational or irrational?
Irrational.
Irrational. Root 9 plus 1. Rational or irrational? Because 9 is perfect square. So यहाँ तो 9, square root of 9 is 3, 3 plus 1. और ये बन गया 4. So this is rational number. Alright. Root 62 upon root 31. Is it rational or irrational? लगता है irrational, लेकिन simplify करो. Okay. This is 2 into 31. 62 का prime factors 2, 3, 1 side, 31 1 side upon root 31. So you can write it separately. Root 2 into root 31 upon root 31. ये cancel हुआ, फिर भी ये irrational ही रहा. लेकिन इसको 124 कर दो. 124, so 2. So here 2 into 2 होगा. So this will be out. You will have 2. So answer would be 2. Then it becomes rational. So be careful. All right. कौन से rational है, कौन से irrational है, जरा ध्यान रखना. All right. Zero of a linear polynomial. बड़ा आसान question है. Be careful. Say suppose here is linear polynomial 2x minus 1. So what is zero of this polynomial? So 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So 2x is equal to plus 1. So x is equal to 1 upon 2. So what is the 0? 1 upon 2. If it is p of y is equal to 1 minus 3y. Follow? 1 minus 3y is equal to 0. So 1 is equal to plus 3y. So 1 upon 3 is equal to 1. So 0 polynomial is 1 upon 3. P of z is equal to 4 plus 3z. So what is the 0 of this polynomial? 4 plus 3z is equal to 0. So 3z is equal to minus 4. So z is equal to minus 4 upon 3. 1, 2, 3 step लगते हैं calculate करना, direct मत लिखना. So this is how you find 0 of a linear polynomial. All right? Yes. There is one point here. Coordinate geometry का ये question है next. Here is one point A, whose coordinates are m and n. So how far is this point from the origin? By origin means O and its coordinates are 0, 0. ये distance बताओ OA. Distance between O and A. That is AO, whatever you write. AO. Distance of this point A from the origin. That is square root of इसको x1 y1 बोलो, इसको x2 y2 बोलो. Bracket square plus bracket square. x1 minus x2 y1 minus y2. That is square root of बोलो. m minus 0 whole square plus n minus 0 whole square. That is square root of m square plus n square. यदि ये point xy हुआ तो square root of x square plus y square. ये point x1 y1 हुआ तो square root of x1 square plus y1 square. ये पॉइंट PQ हुआ तो square root of P square plus Q square. That will be the distance of that point from the origin. Is that clear?